I don't want to brag, but I have the most extensive cancer course in the world. And it used to be a part of a master's program or doctoral program in Europe for natural medicine. It's 112 lessons. I also have an emergency cancer treatment course, which is a multimedia course. Kind of replaces consultations with me and goes into the basic medicines, all natural, that one can utilize for treating their cancer. Cancer is a difficult subject. The COVID vaccines are increasing cancers. They call them turbo cancers. The American government has not banned it. Kennedy has not banned it. Trump has not banned these injections, which are killing people. During the first years of the injections, we saw many athletes just dropping dead in front of everybody. Most people today know somebody who's died from these injections. So the trust in the CDC and FDA has gone into the trash. It's very sad to say that for these mRNA induced cancers, that there really is not any reliable treatments to reverse the conditions. There are some people making some claims, but nothing tested on the battle lines of saving somebody's life. When it comes to these genetic shots, I mean, they have problems in the blood, in the heart, causing cancer, disabilities. The list is endless. It's a nightmare. But cancer, regular cancer, is treatable. You can be educated with my 112 lesson course. But if you've already been diagnosed and you're under the gun, the emergency treatment course will give it to you straight. I think there's like 20 or 22 lessons with videos, basically doing more for you than I can do during a consultation. If you join my online clinic and choose the 3-month program, you get the course for free. There's a lot of material out there on cancer. I think oncologists are, like racehorses coming out of the booth. They have blinders on, and they just either want to do surgery, chemo, very nasty, or radiation, which is the death principle. Use high, like X-rays and radiation to treat and even diagnose cancer. Modern oncology is a nightmare. So basically my work is natural oncology. And you'll see links to the course in the description below.